A warm greetings to everyone. I am DM Kalik Selvi, Assistant Professor, CS Department, RM Engineering College. Now we are going to see about the Git commands. Now we are going to see about the Git commands used in Git Bash. So for initially we'll be having a set of commands generally used as shell commands in the command prompt. So Git Bash will be a general command prompt. So cd command is used to change the directory. Cd command is used to change the directory, and the syntax will be cd and the folder name. ls command is used to list out all the files and folders in the current working directory. Next, to set a global username and email configuration. So whatever the username and the configuration giving here will be set when you are using GitHub, which will be the global connection. So the syntax will be git config -- global user.name and the respective username. Similarly, for email address, user.email and the respective email ID. To initialize the local directory as git repository, you will be using git init command. A git clone command. So this command is used to have a copy of a directory from the existing URL. For this, the syntax will be git clone and the respective URL. So if you have a local copy of this repository, this commands allows creating a local copy of that repository on your local directory from the repository URL. Git add command. So this command is used to add one or more files to the staging area. The syntax git add file name for adding one file to the staging area. If you want to add more than one file, you can give asterisk. Git commit command. So this is similar to the commit command used in database management system, or you can say SQL commands. So whenever you're given the commit statement, it means that whatever the work you have done in that repository will be saved permanently. And you can also give a commit message. And if you want to add any file and then you have to give a commit, you can give the command as git commit -a and the respective file name. Git status command. So status command is used to display the state of the working directory and the state of the staging area. So git status, syntax will be git status. Next will be git push command. If you want to upload a local repository content to the remote repository, you can use this command. Git push all is used to push all the branches from your local repository to the remote repository. Git pull command is used to receive the data from the GitHub. So it fetches the data from the remote repository to your local working repository. Git branch command. So using this command, list all the branches available in the repository, current working repository. Thank you.